G'day champs. Recently I just bought this Hummer H3 Luxury Edition. Now I was given a heads up by my mates, be prepared, the acceleration is pretty ordinary. So what I did, ordered this Hike-It throttle accelerator. Now this ain't too bad, so I don't know, I'm questioning it might have been retuned a little bit to tweak the acceleration. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a speed test, 0 to 100 kilometers, see how fast, in what time frame that does that. I'm going to install the old fucking Hike-It, and then we're going to hike it and see if it has any difference in the output. It doesn't change the engine's performance at all, it just increases the throttle acceleration to the time that it reaches maximum power. So let's go check out what's in the box. Here's our veggie mate. We love veggie mate. You know, Hike-It. Let's get it out. Slip it out, champ. Pretty much all you get, this little control panel. You get this little male-female adapter that goes into just above your accelerator pedal. Now, very easy to install. As long as you've got maybe 3 active brain cells, I'm pretty sure you could do this while farting. So, do that speed test first, and then I'll show you a quick video on throwing it together, and then we're gonna hike it, bitches, hike it. Okay, champs, we're here out in the cane fields in the old Hummer, the old Humdog Millionaire. So we're gonna test out that speed. I forgot to mention, this is the straight 5 to 3.7 litre, so it's not the old Alpha, the old V8. Hoo-hoo-hoo. So we're going to test out that performance, see how fast or how slow it takes to go from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour. And before your little squirters out there go, oh, you're speeding, you can't do that. It's 100 kilometer speed limit out here, you little sausage munchers. So suck my fucking Sasquatch sideways. So wait till this truck gets away and we'll jump straight into it. Let's go. So there you go, not too bad I guess, but let's shove in the old Hike-It and fucking hike it and see if it's worth it. Let's go. No way. Okay, let's slap it in. Now we've had the engine turned off for, they say minimum 10 minutes, but I went and had a feed, bit of tucker. So about 15-20 minutes, just so you don't get any of those pesky little fucking engine lights flashing at you. That'll put a dent in your testicles, I'll tell you if that happened. So let's go in there. I'll try and see if I can film it for you, but it's no big deal. Piece of piss. Let's go. So pretty much this little fella here, you've got to pull that out, chuck on the male, female, slip it up there. I was going to try and do it one-handed, but I don't think I'm firing all brain cells today, so not many things I can do one-handed. Jump on my knees, try and do better than what my missus does, but I'll chuck it in there, I'll do your video and see. Cable out the way. Let's go for a spin, sit on Hike-It and see if it works. Let's go, champs. Showtime. Okay, we're back out here in the old cane fields. I was just driving around with setting Hike-It on an eye. You can't really see that. There we go. But that's the highest setting. And just driving around the streets, just tap the accelerator and it felt like you put it straight down. So it's going to be perfect for overtaking. It's going to be perfect for taking off at the lights when you want to give someone a bit of competition next to you. I think it's going to hit 60 pretty fast, but I don't know if it's going to hit that 100 kilometers an hour any faster. But that's what I've been waiting for. So let's get cracking. Here we go. Boom, boom. I don't know if it's any faster or not, we'll find out. Now, I'll tell you one thing for sure, there is definitely a big difference in the acceleration there, like just straight up my driveway, and I drove straight into my fucking garage door, because just give it a tap. So perfect for taking off at lights against another car, perfect for overtaking. It's a bit hard without putting it on the timer to see if it actually increased that speed to the time that it took to get to 100 kilometers an hour. Definitely 60 a hit faster. Sounds right. I'm happy with it. You probably have it around the streets. You probably put it at hike at speed number 5, but I am going to keep it on there. It'll be interesting. I'll put these speeds side by side on top of each other, just like your mum loves it, and we'll be back in a second for a final fucking hoo-ha. There you go, champs. Not a big improvement. Knocked off 1 second. Well, I suppose it depends on how you look at it. That's a 10% improvement. Almost 10%, say 9%. But it is zippier around the streets. It does genuinely feel like it takes off faster at the lights. So I'll keep it on there. I do think my Hummer has been tuned a little bit, because it's definitely not lacking any oomph from the get-go, as much as what I was expecting anyway. So anyone with a stock Hummer H3, keen to know what time frame you get to 100 kilometers an hour, let us know in the comments below. Anyway, not bad, cheap it was like 100, got on sale direct from the Hike It website. I think I paid 130. They had it on sale, 130 Australian dollars. That's less than 100 US. So check it out. There's plenty on the market there. Anyway, peace. Thanks for checking this shit out. Subscribe, you know. Plenty of random shit. If you like Aussie humour, subscribe, mate. If you want to smell good, subscribe. More Hummer shit to come. I'm going to cut out the exhaust and just see what that happens. I'm going to upgrade the exhaust, but first I'm going to cut it out, have a play with it, do a video on that, see if that affects any of the performance. Peace out, home dogs. Say good day to your mum.